Welcome to day 15 of our 21-day public speaking challenge. We are almost at the end, guys. We have one more week to go. We have 2 days off, which are Saturday and Sunday, and we have another full week, almost a full week. We have 6 days more to go next week. Amazing. Today, we delve into the art of handling nervousness before your yoga class. By implementing key strategy, you can transform anxiety into a source of strength and confidence. All right, before your yoga class, what can you do? Well, I'm here to tell you preparation is key. Thoroughly prepare your content to boost confidence. Rehearse multiple times, not two, not three, maybe five, to become familiar with the flow and the key points, the key words we explore during this week. If you're not sure, just go back and review the classes if you just get to know me by this class. So we've been exploring a lot of things about public speaking, and we are going to explore much more in the next 6 days. So before your yoga class, come back to the topic. Deep breathing exercise. Practice deep breathing exercise to calm your nerves. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold, and exhale throughout your mouth with the lips slightly open, not too much, like that. That's a perfect technique. It's also very simple. Positive affirmation. Replace negative thoughts. Replace the idea that you're not enough by telling yourself that you are enough. Be positive. Be positive to yourself. Be positive in the way you talk to yourself. Practice ahimsa, non-violence toward yourself, because you are capable. You're just at the beginning. You might be a beginner yoga teacher, so just embrace failures, embrace that you might do some mistakes, embrace the fact that you're not going to be spotless in your class, but you are there and you are prepared, and that's what it matters. Remind yourself of your strength and the value of your message, why you there, more than how you are perceived, or how this person will judge me, or how. No, you are there for your message. You are there for your why, not for the what, not for the container, but for your inner values, for your inner beliefs, right? So replace negative with positive. Then you want to you want to practice visualization. Visualize success by imagining positive audience reactions and a confident performance. And of course, this is a matter of practice. Arrive early. By preparing ahead of time, you can ensure a smooth and efficient start to the class, allowing you to focus fully on guiding your students once they arrived. Few examples here in arriving early. First one, well, if you arrive early, you know that it's a stress-free yoga class. If you rush into the yoga class, there is no point to teach. There is no point to holding a safe space because you haven't held it for yourself. So arriving early at your teaching venue is essential practice that set the tone for a stress-free yoga class. And then you want to familiarize yourself with the teaching space, especially if you arrive earlier. That's a great way to do so. So arriving early allows you to familiarize yourself with the teaching space and explore the layout, where you want to lay out your mats, where you want to store the students' belongings, where you want to place your mat, how you want to mirror some poses, where do you want to go if people are facing the right side, the left side, and so on. By familiarizing yourself with the space and preparing ahead of time, you create a positive and supportive environment for yourself and for your student. Familiarity with the venue helps you feel more comfortable and confident when teaching, reducing any possible anxiety related to the unfamiliar. So be there early. Being there early means is a way to set up everything you need before the start with no rush. You can use the extra time before class to set up your props, to check the equipment or any other materials you will need for the session. You can also play soothing music, you can light in candles, incense, or adjusting lighting or temperature settings. By creating a peaceful and welcoming space, you help your students and yourself feel relaxed, comfortable, and ready to be there for your students, ready to practice with your students. Center yourself. This extra time is also a great way to take a few moments to center yourself with some deep breathing, as we mentioned before, with positive affirmation and meditation, and visualize again a successful yoga teaching, an enjoyable experience for both you and your student. As much as you offer intention in your class, remind yourself of your intention for the class. What's your intention? This is a moment before everyone arrives to tell yourself, I'm here for. I'm here why. I want to be consistent in that. Okay, socialize with your student. Last point of today. Arriving early is a great way to socialize with your students. He allows you to create a welcoming environment, foster a sense of community. Building a rapport with your students create a less performing vibe and a more friendly one. And also makes you feel more like home. You feel like you're actually hanging out with some friends instead of people that you just met. Instead of getting tangles in your thoughts, welcome your student one by one and greet them warmly as they arrive. Make it a moment of connection rather than a solo performance in your mind. So instead of be there sitting in meditation and waiting for everyone arrive, welcome everyone. Be there for them. Have a chat. The first step before jumping into a yoga class is to get out of your mind and thoughts and create a sort of interaction with the people you are guiding and supporting for the next hour, 90 minutes, 75 minutes, whatever it is. Ask your students how they feel today, what they have done during the day. Engage with friendly conversation, understand where they're at in yoga, understand if they have any body injuries, understand specific needs, specific body injuries, specific concerns that they might have within yoga, but also without the yoga context. It doesn't have to be yoga related necessarily to engage with the people that they come into your class. Remember, it's an honor to have people that they come and spend time with you. You want to be friend with them. You want to understand them. You want to go extra mile to be there for them. Conclusion of this class: nervousness is a natural part of public speaking, but with those strategies, you are ready to conquer nerves and deliver a confident and impactful yoga class. So enjoy the process and, of course, stay dramatically different. Ciao for now.